In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset Apple ID password if forgotten. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up a web browser. I'm gonna use Safari now, and then we need to head over to that URL iforgot.apple.com. Once the page is open, we need to tap right here at that button, Reset Password, and then it allows us to use that device to reset our own password or to help someone else to reset their password. To continue, I'm gonna tap at Reset My Password, and then we'll be taken to the next step where we need to enter our iPhone passcode to continue. Once it is done, we'll be taken to that step where all we have to do is just enter new password here at the first text field. Then we need to retype it in the second one. Your password must be at least 8 characters, include a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. Once it is done and you entered and re-entered a new password, hit at Continue to proceed and to set new password to your Apple ID. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.